Having a reliable business checking account for your company is a must if you want smooth operations and a healthy cash flow. Now, since starting a few business ventures of my own, I've tried many banking services and even managed my company's finances myself. But a few months ago, I stumbled across Bluevine, and it's become my go-to tool ever since. It first caught my attention with its claim of providing a streamlined online business checking account with no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and competitive interest rates, which is really useful for small business owners like myself. And in this video, I'm sharing my experience with Bluevine and how it's been working for my business. I'll take you through its features, touch on some of the things I liked, and let you know what you should be aware of before signing up with them. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of whether Bluevine Business Checking is worth checking out. Let's jump in. All right, so if you've never heard of Bluevine, it's a financial technology company that provides modern banking solutions for small businesses. The company was created to tackle the challenges that small businesses can often face in accessing financing and effectively managing cash flow. But Bluevine was initially focused on invoice factoring, helping businesses to unlock funds tied up in unpaid invoices and giving them immediate access to working capital. Then over time, Bluevine expanded its offerings to include business lines of credit and most recently full-fledged banking services for small and medium-sized businesses. And today, Bluevine is primarily known for its online business checking account. Now, what I appreciate most about Bluevine is how they've taken a modern approach to business banking, making it both accessible and efficient.
So whether you're managing day-to-day transactions, handling digital check deposits, or keeping track of your expenses, Bluevine provides a range of tools that work to simplify your business banking experience.
So let's take a look at how Bluevine Business Checking works and how you can open an account with them. To get started, you don't need to visit a branch or schedule an appointment. Instead, you can simply go to their website and complete the application. Then, once your application is approved, you gain access to your account through a secure online dashboard. The platform is designed with simplicity in mind, so everything from viewing transactions to making transfers is easily accessible. You can also download the Bluevine mobile app, which mirrors the desktop experience and lets you handle your business banking on the go. So, after setting up your account, the next step is linking your existing bank account. This process is pretty straightforward, and you'll just need to enter your current bank's details and validate the connection with some small deposit verifications, and that's it. Now, the transaction dashboard is a central hub for all of your financial activities. Here you can view deposits, withdrawals, and incoming transfers. And one feature I found very useful is the ability to categorize expenses and keep track of recurring transactions, which helps streamline accounting and reconciliation processes. Plus, the intuitive interface makes it easy to filter transactions by data, type, or category, ensuring you're always having a clear picture of your cash flow. Now, one thing that's a must-have for any financial service is excellent security, and thankfully, Bluevine has it. They employ advanced encryption protocols to safeguard your data, and multi-factor authentication is standard for logging in, making sure that every time you access your account, it's really you. Plus, Bluevine only partners with reputable banks, which means your funds are not only kept safe, but are FDIC insured through a partner banking institution. All in all, the setup process is pretty user-friendly, especially compared with traditional banks. So, no complaints. All right, now getting into the pricing model, Bluevine offers 3 business checking plans as well as loan options to support growing businesses. So, this is how they work. First off is their standard plan, which is great for anyone who just wants to get a feel for how Bluevine works because there's no monthly subscription fee. This entry-level package gets you a 1.5% APY on balances of up to 250 grand plus FDIC insurance up to $3 million. If you're looking for additional perks, their Plus plan is available for $30 per month, and this cost can actually be waived if you maintain an average daily balance of 20 grand and spend at least $2,000 per month using your linked debit or Bluevine credit card. Now with this plan, you earn a 2.7% APY on balances of up to $250,000. So this is well suited for businesses that handle moderate cash flow and want to maximize interest earnings without worrying about a monthly fee. Now, with those with higher cash flows or more frequent transactions, the Premier plan might be a better fit. It's just under $100 a month. On this plan, you'll benefit from a higher interest rate of around 3.7% APY, as well as further discounts on domestic and international wire transfers and same-day ACH transfers. Plus, you also get up to 20 free checks per month. And when it comes to loans, they offer a flexible line of credit with funding of up to 250 grand. This revolving credit replenishes as you repay and comes with predictable short-term repayment options of 6 or 12 months. For larger one-time funding needs, Bluevine's business term loan provides a lump sum of up to $500,000 with repayment terms extending up to 24 months. Now, these lending solutions are designed to support various stages of business growth, so you can access the funds you need without switching providers as your business evolves and grows. So if anything we've covered sounds like a good fit for your business, you can get started with Bluevine's Business Checking by using the affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll get our exclusive discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now, based on my own experience using Bluevine to manage my company's finances and testing it in various situations, there are a few things that I think could be better. But overall, I found it to be a great option, and there are a lot of things I liked about it. First off, one of the biggest benefits I found is that Bluevine is completely online. This means you can set up, manage, and monitor your account entirely on the web, which is very convenient when you're juggling multiple tasks or need to access your funds on the go. It's great how quick you can log in, check transactions, and deposit checks using their mobile app. However, it's worth noting that because everything is digital, there are no physical branches available, so if you prefer in-person service, then this might be something to consider. But another advantage is the simplicity of the user interface. So as I mentioned, their dashboard is clean and intuitive, making it easy to view transactions, track expenses, and generate reports without feeling overwhelmed. I found that the streamlined design cuts down on the time I spend managing money, allowing me to focus more on growing my business. That said, while the interface is user-friendly generally, some people have mentioned how they wish there were more customizable reporting options. But in my case, the built-in reports have been more than sufficient for what I do. Now, Bluevine also offers competitive interest rates on your checking balance, which means your idle funds can work for you. I've seen how even a small interest boost can just add up over time, especially when paired with the absence of a monthly fee. Plus, the platform's tools for expense categorization and automated bill payments are very handy when it comes to day-to-day financial management. For instance, I really do like how it syncs with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, reducing the need for manual data entry. This level of automation is a major time saver, and if your business requires very detailed financial data, you might find the reporting features a bit less granular than those offered by traditional banks. Finally, there's their scalability. So whether you're just starting out or experience rapid growth, the flexible plan structure and app integrations allow the service to evolve with your business. I've been very impressed with how seamlessly I can add new features as my business grows without having to switch platforms. The only minor hitch is that the initial verification process can take a little longer than expected, so it's a slight inconvenience if you're eager to start using the service, well, today. But all in all, Bluevine Business Checking offers a modern, efficient solution for managing your business finances. Its ease of use, cost-effective structure, and robust online features make it a standout choice for busy entrepreneurs who want to handle their banking digitally. So if you're comfortable with an entirely online experience and value streamlined financial management, Bluevine is definitely worth checking out. All right, now, if you're still shopping around and weighing other options, here's a quick comparison of Bluevine and Lily, which is one of the most popular providers for business checking accounts. I found each platform caters to a slightly different audience and offers its own unique advantages. Bluevine delivers a straightforward business checking account specifically designed for small and medium-sized businesses, and with unlimited transactions, plus a chance to earn interest on your balance, it provides a clean, no-nonsense banking experience that makes everyday financial management very simple and very efficient. I really like how this approach minimizes unnecessary costs and lets you focus on growing your business. Lily, on the other hand, is geared more towards freelancers and sole entrepreneurs since it has more flexible plans. So it starts with a free basic account, but if you need advanced features like integrated tax tools, savings options, and expense tracking, then their tiered plans could be a better fit. Now, both provide excellent ATM access through the MoneyPass network, granting you access to over 38,000 fee-free ATMs. And this makes sure that you can handle cash transactions smoothly, whether you're managing daily needs or just making occasional withdrawals. And besides all the basics, which both services do a really good job with, Bluevine stands out with practical features like online bill pay, check writing capabilities, and seamless integration with accounting softwares like QuickBooks, making it ideal for small business owners who need to keep accurate records without the extra hassle. Meanwhile, Lily's strengths lays in financial management tools, which are particularly useful for freelancers who require detailed expense tracking and tax preparation features. And overall, Bluevine is excellent if you're a small business looking for a simple, cost-effective checking account with the benefit of earning interest, while Lily caters more to freelancers and solo entrepreneurs needing advanced financial management tools. Ultimately, the best option depends on your needs and whether you value simplicity or a broader range of features for managing your finances. So, to wrap things up, as a business owner who's been using Bluevine Business Checking, For myself, I can say that it's a solid digital solution that can simplify everyday cash management for any business. And while there are a few minor things that could be improved, I still think it's one of the best business checking services available right now. So if you're looking for a streamlined, scalable, and reliable checking account for your business, Bluevine is a great choice. That's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more just like this. As a reminder, if you want to get started with Bluevine and streamline your business banking, then you can use the affiliate link down in the description below at no extra cost to get a discount that you won't find on their website. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave your questions or comments down below, and I'll try and get back to them as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.